One of those elements we talked about was leaving room for surprise. Now, we're not going to have a plot twist usually, because this isn't that kind of a story that we're building and supporting. But you want to create excitement in your audience to go and explore and find out more about that why. Enable that exploration. And here's a few things you can do to allow that. You can use filters, interactions, and drill through. So Power BI is an awesome product for allowing you to do this. So there's interactivity between elements on your page, the visualizations on your page.
Yeah, my thought is like this is one of the things, if you're working in Power BI, this is one of the things that's going to separate you as an analyst from other people potentially in your company, because you get to use Power BI to really gift these kind of things to your users. And this is something that blows people's minds when they first really experience it. I mean, just the most basic function that Power BI has is a cross filter, right? You click on one aspect of visual and all the other visuals will then filter to it. Just that right there is enough to blow their minds. If you can get deeper and do drill throughs, use interesting bookmarks, do different things to provide all this interactivity, then you are going to get people hooked so fast.
And then your reports you build don't just sit there unused, because they can connect with them and they're excited about using them. So here's a simple example. You have a high-level page, and in Power BI you have the ability to add a drill-through page. And based off of the element in the first page, you can click on drill through and select where you want to drill and open up another page with more detail.
And this page will automatically filter to what you had right-clicked on, right? So,
yeah, good point.
So that way you can drill through that item into more details.
Absolutely. And also in Power BI, you have the ability to build dashboard pages. So if you need an executive summary, and one or two of these visualizations are the most important, then you can easily add those onto a dashboard page, and they can use that as a starting point and drill through to the details afterwards.